Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner, and it is for the week of October 24th through the 30th. I am going to be creating a Halloween spread with the whimsical fall from Live Love Posh. I love her stickers, as you guys know, so I wanted to save them for this particular week. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you are choosing to spend more time with me, thank you so very much. I appreciate that beyond measure. And let's get into planning. So first goes down the trees, the naked fall trees. I'm gonna place them down the page and then we're gonna start decorating around them. It is going to be a simplistic functional spread. So all of my spreads are extremely functional for a reason. I use my planner to plan my life, and I love pretty decorations. However, it needs to be functional first and foremost. So okay, I'm placing down some flowers. I think these are gorgeous. The purples with the dark reds with the bats is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and place some in the upper corner as well, because why not, right? Look how pretty. Like, I love these colors. I really do. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a spider web with those flowers on the other side to kind of balance out the spread. So that's what it looks like right now. I mean, you don't really have to try with Jessica stickers, you just kind of slap them down and you're done. That's what's nice about them, but I really enjoy slapping them down, I guess, because I use them a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and take her boxes and place them on the pages like so, and those will turn into my to-do lists. So there we go. And the coffin, I think that looks great. Okay, that's good. And then I want to go ahead and do a couple other things. So I'm going to go ahead and add some stuff to the sidebar to fill it in, but also I'm going to add this ginormous spider web to my planner. I think it's gonna look great, kind of huge in between those trees. I'm not sure how you guys feel about that, but it is Halloween, so to me it's super appropriate. And look at that, it like gives such a cool look. And then I'm gonna kind of adore this with flowers, because this wouldn't be planned with me actually if it didn't have flowers. As you guys know, I am a plant freak in my planner, so they need to be included. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this bunch of flowers into here and cover part of the tree. I really don't mind. I like the whimsical look of this, so I'm just adding some bats. Let me know what you guys think so far. I am in love with this spread. I like how it's turning out. I love the colors, and like I said, when I saw these stickers, I knew I wanted to save them for the week of Halloween. So we do have a Halloween party on the 29th that we're going to, so that's pretty fun. I always like socializing during those times, so it's fun. Let's go ahead and add. I'm going to see if I have checklists that are matching in here, but I don't think so. So since I don't, I'm gonna have to figure something else out. Okay, I'm just checking to see if I have checklists that are matching this, but no. So I'm just gonna take one of these big sidebar boxes for my like major to-do lists, And I'm gonna go ahead and put a checklist down with my stencil. I haven't used this stencil in a little bit, so I think it'll be fun. So let's go ahead and start making my to-do lists on each and every single day. And we'll see how this looks. Okay, so that's Monday. Tuesday is actually going to be in the box. So my to-do list will be contained in this lovely, lovely box. And then Wednesday too. And then so on. So I'm gonna just be drawing some checklists for a little bit. So hang with me. I'll be done soon. I'll draw one more or maybe two more. Let's see, maybe one more after this. Okay, I think that's good. That gives me enough of lines to write in. Now this one will be in the box. And I like this shape and size of the circle. For some reason, it's just a perfect size for me. And now I'm gonna go ahead and draw the same like tiny little bullet points in my little coffin shaped box. So there's that. I think that's lovely. And then we're gonna do the top. So Friday. Are you guys having plans for Halloween? What are you doing? If you're dressing up, drop it down below and let me know what you're wearing as your costume. I'm very, very curious to hear what all of you guys are wearing, and excited that you guys can share that with me. So let's go ahead and add some more decoration because we need to fill in those empty spaces. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Whimsical Fall from Live Love Posh and pull up this Halloween spread and then add some more florals to the spread. So I'm going to add another floral on that side of the web, and I think that looks pretty good. I can add a red one right there to kind of fill in that space. And then we're going to be adding some bats because why not, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and go through the book and pull out the little spiders and bugs, and we're going to place those as well. Yep, so let's go ahead and do that. So first I'm going to add that little spider web up there, and then I'll add these red florals in here as well. And then a little spiders crawling on my page. And then I'll place these on the actual web. And then let's add that. I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. So like I said, I love making spreads like this. So I just need one more thing of flowers to add maybe to the top right there. And that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna pop this back in my planner. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I had so much fun creating this, and I'll see you guys very, very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Have a good week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.